In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your debit card number on the Chase app. So what we want to do is just first load up Chase here, and we want to sign in with our account on the Chase mobile app. So once we have signed in, I'll just refer us to this article here. What we want to do is, I'm just going to read this. So finding my card and account details. As your debit card is numberless, your card details for things like online shopping are all stored in the app. So once we have logged in into the Chase app, we will need to open it and then tap on See Card on the home screen of the Chase app. After we have clicked on See App, or See Card, you'll find your card details under See Details. So we select See Card and then we just click on See Details, and that is going to display our debit/credit card number on the Chase app, and that's how we can find it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.